Good morning, guys. Today we've got here Lenovo Tab Extreme, and let me show you how to check total screen time. So first of all, you have to open the settings. Then find and select digital well-being and parental controls. And right here you've got some general statistics. If you tap on it again, you can dig a bit more into this topic, so you can see statistics for a particular day. Actually, there's just one day added. But if you do use this device for a bit longer, you will be able to see all data. And if you will tap on particular app, you can see statistics for this app only since the first day of usage. So this is it. This is how you can check time spent on your device, spent on screen. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.